Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AirPods Pro are associated with your Apple ID. This is the core requirement. Once done, make sure Find My is enabled on your iPhone so location data can appear. Open the Find My app and tap the Devices tab to begin. You're now in the view that lists paired devices. This is where you'll select your AirPods and start the locating process, so don't skip checking the Apple ID and Find My settings first. After selecting your AirPods Pro, you have two primary tools: Play Sound and Viewing the Map. Use Play Sound when you suspect they're nearby. This triggers a loud chime from the earbuds to guide you. If they're farther away, view the map to see their last reported location and timestamp. This shows where they were last connected to your device. Keep in mind that if AirPods are in their case and offline, you'll rely on the last known location instead of a live signal. To finish, follow the map directions or move toward the sound until you spot the AirPods. That combination usually yields a quick recovery. If they are offline, enable Notify when found or mark them as lost to receive an update when they reconnect. If things go wrong, try basic troubleshooting. Charge the AirPods in case, toggle Bluetooth and location services on your iPhone, and verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID. These steps fix most visibility issues and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.